So, hello everyone, this is Mr. G checking in. So today we're going to be making some potatoes in our awesome grill. Really don't need much, just aluminum foil, some potatoes, salt, pepper. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you get your aluminum foil and you lay it down flat. With that, you're just going to go ahead and spray on some regular oil, like cooking oil, vegetable spray I prefer. Keeps it easier, neater, cleaner, just to make sure the potatoes don't stick. In my case, ended up choosing just 5 potatoes, just laying them down flat and firmly on the tin foil itself. And once that was done, I basically just started maneuvering them into place so that I was able to add a little bit of seasoning. And again, doesn't have to be anything spectacular. First, make sure that you add a little bit of olive oil just to make sure that they're nice and drizzled on top, just to make sure you get a little bit of a crispy edge as it's going. From there, I added my salt, pepper, and again, sprinkle rigorously on there. Only because, again, it's a pretty big potato. And again, I'm not a chef here, but this is just the way that I end up making my potatoes. Makes it a whole lot easier for myself, just to make sure that I have it all in there. And depending on how you want to eat it afterwards, you can mix it in, or you can mash them up, or just cut them in half and eat them by the slice. So after you've already mashed them up, basically gave it all the seasoning that you want to add, make sure that you wrap up your tin foil to make sure that everything gets in there. In this case, I'm leaving it a little bit open at the top, but it's preferable to have it completely covered. In my case, like I said at the beginning, I'm going to be using my Weber grill. It's a charcoal grill that I'm going to be putting on to make sure that it completely heats up. And again, at 400 degrees for 1 whole hour, you're going to be able to take them out and be able to enjoy them nice and fresh and hot.